Today I'm gonna show you guys. Why is my volume all the way up? Hold on. Okay. Okay. Today I'm gonna show you guys the best computer oscilloscope that you could get. It's called Winscope. It's supposed to run on like Windows XP or something, but you can run it on Windows 10 too. And it's actually really good. So right now, I have one. Oh, hold on. I have one on this setting here, and I have one on this setting. So there's like two waveforms. I don't know what they're really called though. So if I just have this microphone connected, and if you don't believe me, it's connected. So anyways, yeah, bye.